At Dependable Dumpster Services, we're not just about dumpsters. We're your go-to source for premium quality junk removal. As a locally owned and operated business, we take pride in serving homeowners, businesses, contractors, and property managers in Lancaster and the surrounding areas. And here's why we stand out. Firstly, we're fully licensed and insured, ensuring your peace of mind. Our pricing is fair and transparent, and we offer clean and well-kept 10 to 18-yard dumpsters for your convenience. But what really sets us apart is that we take what others won't. It's our commitment to handling your clutter responsibly. No matter what you need to be decluttered in Lancaster, SC, our team can handle it. From appliance removal, think washers, dryers, refrigerators, to furniture like old pianos and mattresses, we've got you covered. We tackle construction debris, outdoor items, and even specialty services like hazardous waste removal and hoarder house clearouts. Our full-service junk removal is designed to exceed your expectations. Whether you need residential or commercial services, we offer same-day and next-day options. And here's a special shout-out. Ask about our veteran and first responder discounts, our way of giving back to those who've served our community. And if you prefer a self-service option, we've got dumpster rentals too. You load it, and we haul it away for donation, recycling, and ethical disposal. It's that simple, making responsible junk removal accessible to everyone in Lancaster. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the clutter and hello to a stress-free space, Dependable Dumpster Services is here for you. Reach out, ask us about our services, and let's make your space clutter-free together.